the only two the people that's important in that event is of course my wife and myself. So gusto ko pong maging intimate yung moment na yun siguro.
AR din, di ba? Ito, yes. Alden's reality. Yung una na yun, Alden, Rising or something?
Adrenaline Rush.
Adrenaline Rush. Yun, yes, Miss G.
Anyway, so
Adrenaline Rush.
What does reality mean in the title of your concert?
Kasi dito po, Tito, parang bibigyan po natin yung mga audience ng one-on-one experience po sa akin. Kumbaga, para siyang dating experience. Kasi whenever pagka-start po ng concert, everything will be a one-on-one experience with me. So kapag nakausap ko po yung camera, I'm always addressing it sa isang tao lang po. It's not in general, it's not sa inyo, it's always sa'yo, ikaw, tayong dalawa, parang ganun po. So that's why parang they will experience a part of my reality and they will be part of my reality at that moment po.
Yung naka-tune in, di ba?
Yes.
So, sinong pumili ng repertoire? Yung choice of song?
Ako po, Tito, halos lahat po. Ako po yung namili. And then, syempre, collective collaboration naman po siya, collective efforts ni Direk Paulo, and then si
Paulo,
and then Paulo Valenciano po, the director.
Okay.
Kami po yung nag-conceptualize talaga. Pero majority po, sinabi po kasi ni Direk Pau sa akin is he wanted it all to come from me, all the ideas and how I would like the concert to run. So medyo malaki yung ambag ko sa creative side po nitong show natin.
So yung song, syempre, are those close to your heart, di ba?
Yes po.
Ano yung sample doon? Isang song? One example of the song closest to you?
Well, there's God Gave Me po, andun pa rin siya.
Oh, okay.
Opo, then yung mga bagong songs din po. And yung latest single ko po will be first heard sa
December 8 ang launching, di ba?
December 8 din yung launching niya.
Yeah. Anong klaseng song na yun? Ano yung title noon at sino nag-compose noon?
The song po is called Going Crazy and the composer Miss G, ano po ang pangalan? Surname ni Pau? I forgot.
Flip Music. Flip Music.
Flip Music.
Collab din siya.
Collab po siya. Yun, with GMA Music po. So, dun din po unang na-experience yun.
Bakit Going Crazy? Mukhang hindi ka naman going crazy
Parang going crazy po dun sa sa quarantine. Hindi, joke lang dito. Going crazy po sa excuse me. Going crazy po dun to the person who am I singing to? Who am I singing to?
Ito ba yun?
Wala, Tito. Sinong sumakinig?
Not nobody in particular, no?
No one in particular.
Okay, so other realities in your life, Alden?
Yes,
parang nabasa ko o napakinggan ko na sabi mo, anyway, first, how was your year, 2020?
Not so good po. Siyempre, 2020, well, in terms of, just, parang not so good in terms of what's happening generally. Pero so far naman po, when it comes to work, I'm still very blessed po na very active pa rin tayo despite of the situation. I'm very thankful for the brands who continue to trust me sa mga bagong endorsements po na pumapasok.
Sabi nga, no?
Po. And syempre, of course, GMA has never failed din naman po dun sa pagbibigay sa akin ng mga new projects as well. So, not so good in terms of course, yung nakikita po, yung mga napapanood natin, yung mga taong naapektuhan ng pandemic, and itong recent, yung mga bagyong dumaan sa atin.
Yes, no?
So, ang bigat lang po na parang the least I could do really po is to share my blessings to them para at least maramdaman naman po nila na may kasama pa rin sila despite of what's happening.
Alden, congrats ha. Ikaw na talagang king of commercials. Bakit?
Blessed lang po, Tito. Naparami lang po ulit siguro.
Sige. So what do you look forward to in 2021?
Of course, talagang number one dyan, Tito, sana magka-vaccine na for this pandemic para bumalik na po tayo lahat sa normal natin. Kasi yung iba po naka-adjust sa new normal, pero syempre yung iba hindi rin po sanay. And ang napakalaking hindrance po kasi niya ngayon parang hindi tayo makakilos ng maayos. We can't really function as normal human beings with this new normal thing. So yun lang po talaga yung isa sa mga nililook forward kong mag-end. And Kasi after that po, pwede na ulit magtuloy-tuloy at bumalik tayo sa mga dati nating ginagawa.
Bilisan ko na ha, kasi may iba pa. Anyway, Alden, nabasa ko at narinig ko na sabi, isa daw sa atupagin mo, bibigyan mo ng time next year, ang yung love life. Totoo ba yun? Because you said you're not getting any younger.
Yes po, kasi parang it's about time na rin, Tito, and that's already a plan, you know, to in the next coming years na po talaga is to really to have a family. Kasi parang in the years naman po na pinagtatrabahuan ko, I'm working so hard for the past 10 years is really for that goal to you know give my family a better life. So yes, Tito, yes.
No, I mean your love life, your family life mo, okay, di ba?
I mean yes po, to give the family, yung family ko na po. Parang
yung family. Okay, so mahirap pa hanapin yung the right one.
Well, as of now po, medyo mahirap kasi given the circumstance of the pandemic, mahirap lalabas and, you know, to meet people. But sooner or later naman po talaga darating tayo dun.
Mahaba daw ang pila eh.
Mahaba po ba? Mahaba po akong pila eh.
At in qualities na medyo makaka-attract sa'yo sa the right one.
Gusto ko po talaga, Tito, yung mga yung Pinay look. Kaya mahaba po ko. Yung the typical Filipino beauty at the same time. Gusto ko lang po yung naiintindihan ako. And yun lang naman po.
Alam mo, na-interview ko sa Miss Universe Philippines, Rabina Mateo. Bait na bait na nag-guest sa Bulaga.
Yes, nag-guest po siya one.
Can be good friends daw. At mukhang yung description mo, parang tumutugma si Rabia Mateo.
Nothing in particular naman dito. Pero with the likes of her, siguro yung mga ganong
okay. So Alden, you're not afraid of commitment, are you?
Now po hindi na. Siguro ngayon po.
So ready ka na?
Yes. Opo. Hindi na po parang enough na dun sa securing the future kasi secured na po. Medyo secured na po. So game na.
If ever lang, Alden, anong klaseng wedding ang gusto mo? Dito ba o sa abroad o?
I would like the wedding po to be an intimate and private one.
Wow!
Hindi ko po siya yung ipapublicize.
Ganon?
Opo, parang kumbaga, ang pinakamaganda po kasi parang kagaya po ng wedding ni Micael Daes and Megan Yang. Parang nagulat na lahat na.
Dalawang beses yun kinasal, di ba?
Yes po, parang na-married na pala sila. So parang ganun lang po kasi the only people that's important in that event is of course my wife and myself. So gusto ko pong maging intimate yung moment na yun siguro.
Okay, 2 more questions, Alden.
Yes,
you have everything already, so what else is missing in your life? Parang wala na except for
better half po. A better half is missing.
Okay, so you're happy with your present state of your heart and your mind and your life?
Yes po, very much.
So in one word, how would you describe Alden today?
Contented.
Okay, maganda. So Alden, invite mo na sila December 8.
Yes po. Sa December 8 po will be the 10th anniversary of my Alden Church. Wow. So I'm inviting everyone po sa mga gusto makapanood at maka-experience ng first ever virtual reality concert in the Philippines. To buy their tickets now, available pa po yan sa www.gmanetwork.com/synergy and grab your tickets while it lasts po kasi medyo pa ubos na po.
Alden, thank you so much.
Thank you po. Salamat.
Thank you.